This is the service elevator at the brand new newly built Forbes Beeler apartments. Carnegie Mellon University in Squirrel, North Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. There's another brand new Otis Gen3. There's the annunciator, it's green, it's an older style. Times on the first floor for both the elevator cellar do not work. The interior windows, not the outside one. 4 is locked, for some reason the 3 is open. I don't know why, because they're all apartment floors. Here you go. Here the other one if it's nearby.
Third floor.
Here at 3.
Going down.
Down at 1. Basic channel still covered underneath the padding. There's padding on 2 of the 3 sides. I don't know why this side does not have padding. Someone jumped there.
First floor.
Put their fingerprints up there. Here back on 1. Vantage just a fixture channel, especially like. Oh well.
Going up.
The other one's here too. That closes and that's gonna be it.